Hey there YouTube, what's going on here? Well, we are back with another video. So lately on our channel we've been talking on the method of which, when applied, you can get virtual credit cards for free, and if possible with some little balance in it. So that's the case with our previous video. So what if, have you ever thought of bypassing this limit? I don't think so. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get not only a virtual credit card but a virtual one, a real credit card, pardon, with a considerable amount of balance in it. Well guys, the method we'll be using, effective method, is really with Stilt. So Stilt, what is Stilt? Stilt is a financial technology company located in San Francisco. They are revolutionizing the way individuals build and access credit. They help people with limited or zero credit history in the US. So that's what Stilt is. Stilt targets inhabitants in the US. Not only inhabitants but also mainly they target immigrants, which are the underserved and also underserved which live in the US. Why do they target immigrants? They target immigrants because they are the unstable living financially in the US. So Stilt help people with zero credit history in the US. They help people who don't have any amount of money in the US and make them grow financially with the help of the really great loan offer they offer to individuals. So these people in the US are mostly immigrants, but still doesn't limit their offer, pardon, to immigrants. They also are there for the underserved, for people who have underserved status in the US. So they're out to help the immigrants and the underserved in the US. That's their aim, their main target and their aim. But still doesn't just focus themselves on individuals. They are also there to help out students. They're also there to help out travelers. Also, Stilt is also there for employees. Stilt is there for the employees, meaning anyone with a US visa is eligible to open a Stilt account. That's for those who are already living in the US, meaning those that aren't actually immigrants, like students, travelers and employees. So Stilt is also there for them, but Stilt targets mostly the immigrants and the underserved in the US. So they are there to help people financially. With Stilt, you get a credit or loan that will help improve your financial status in the US. With Stilt, you get a free forever bank account, credit card and free cashback for all your online purchases. Also with Stilt, you have no fees to pay ever. You don't have to pay fees, meaning no overdraft fees, no NSFS, pardon, no annual fees. You are fees free. What else does Stilt offer? With Stilt, your money is secured, meaning your deposit and account are FDIC secured. Isn't that great? You don't have to worry of your cash located in your bank account anymore. With Stilt, everything is secured. Also with Stilt, the ATM can be used in more than 25,000 plus places anywhere in the world. So Stilt is very mobile everywhere in the world. You can access your account from anywhere you're located in the world. Also with Stilt, you build your credit in the US from day one. No SSN required. So we still don't need an SSN, meaning that is very great for the immigrants who haven't yet established themselves in the US. So you get a line of credit with Stilt with no SSN required. They will provide a line of credit of up to $5,000 US dollars balance in it. Isn't that really great? No stress enough with Stilt. You can apply from the comfort of your home, meaning you can get an approved account before even landing in the US, which also means you can apply for Stilt even when you haven't yet arrived in the US. when you're about to take a flight or when you're set to come in the US. That is really great. Still, again, what is also cool with Stilt is you receive $25 upon opening your account. You open a free account and you get $25 for free, just like that. And also, if you refer someone, you also get $25 for each of your successful referrals. Isn't that cool? Again, you can access your Stilt account from anywhere in the world. So, have you moved to a new country? If it happens you have to go to another country, or you have an urgent flight and where you're going to land you urgently need your balance or some money, Stilt is there to help you out. With Stilt, you can move to any country, no problem accessing your account. Your Stilt bank account follows you anywhere in the world. Seamless move to the new country with $0 additional cost. You are a Stilt member for life regardless of your location. That is really cool. You can access your Stilt account and your balance anywhere in the world regardless your location, guys. This is really cool. Again, Stilt help you managing your money from your account, so they are there for you. They are there to establish you, so you can control your budget with Stilt. Still give you the feature, let me say, to determine your budget by setting limits to dining, entertaining, and 12 other categories, guys. So with Stilt, you can schedule an amount for a certain event, this amount for this event, and so on and so forth. With Stilt Incorporated is there for all of you. Stilt is really cool, guys. You can control your budget in full time with Stilt. Alright, so if we've noticed with some bank that provide loan, unlike Stilt, they take in consideration some collateral property or co-signer, meaning you have to keep something in guarantee so you can assure you pay back the cash or the loan you've taken from the accessed bank. So with Stilt, none of that is required. Stilt provides loan of up to $30,000 without collateral property or co-signer, meaning you would have to stress in giving back the money, in paying back your loan. You won't have to set someone to be in charge if ever something happens to you. Stilt is really great. So guys, after all of this named, what are you waiting for to join Stilt or to set up an application for Stilt? Let's quick review the points we listed on Stilt. So we have Stilt is a bank in the US for immigrants and underserved, students, travelers, employees, or anyone with a US visa is eligible to open a Stilt account. That's the first point we spoke on Stilt. You get a free forever account, debit card, and get cashback for online purchases, guys. ATM can be accessed in more than 25,000 plus places. Accounts can be used to do remittance in multiple currencies, meaning you can use Stilt to operate in many currencies. Stilt is multi-currency. You can use Stilt in any country, wherever you move. Anyone who opens a free bank account gets 25,000 initially in your account, just like that. And if you get to refer someone or a friend or a family member or someone who wishes to join your journey, and you wish you would like to establish a person financially with the help of Stilt Incorporated, then Stilt is out there. They will give you $25 for each person you bring, or each person who opens an account as you. Stilt provides loan of up to $30,000 without collateral property or co-signer, and uses artificial intelligence technology to accept loans without SSN and credit score. That's really cool, Stilt. So guys, what are you waiting for to open an account? Or if you wish to follow Stilt, or you wish to apply for your loan, then visit the link in description. Also check out the channel, the Stilt channel, in our video description. You're going to get everything you need to apply and get started with Stilt. Still, to open an account, you just need to go to the website which is given in the description, then set up a loan, open your free account, and you start submitting your loan application. Are you located in the US? Are you located out of the US? No problem there. Stilt got you right back. So they got your ass back right ever where you are located. So if you are an immigrant in the US, then Stilt is there for you, and you face difficulties, Stilt is still there for you. Stilt helps you financially and makes you grow, and you wouldn't have to set any co-signer or guarantee any collateral property. Stilt is there for you. So guys, what are you waiting for to get started? Subscribe to your Stilt channel right in the video description, and also visit the website and open your account, then apply for your loan. Stilt replies you typically in 24 hours time, and also they set up a review for call, a direct call with you. That's really great. Stilt. So guys, I dedicate this video for the immigrants and to the underserved. Also, if you're a student, a traveler, or an employee, and you have some financial difficulties, Stilt is there for you. Stilt doesn't require a lot to accept to give you the loan. So guys, make sure you check out Stilt and also get ready with your application. Also, moreover, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more cool videos are coming over. So you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video.